Continue. Continue.
I have some exam in June and July.
Do I have exams? Do I have exams more than you?
Yes, you have. You have so many exams because you have
Do
so
I
many
have?
courses. You have so many future. You have
so many
ability.
Kandura.
Do I have more
You are
responsibility than you?
capable for that.
Do I have more
You
responsibility
are.
than you?
You have so
Do I
many.
have more responsibility than you?
Now I have some more responsibility because
Because you do.
I am
So
dealing
you
with
have
some financial
a
issues.
natural.
You don't have you didn't have to pay 1 lakh
Yeah.
rupees for B.Ed. How much you paid here?
60,000.
I only paid 50,000, 15,000.
15.
So I have to pay 45,000 here, 45,000 here, 35,000 for B.Ed. Then 4,000 here from students, including 500 from himself.
But I would like to share that before 2 days ago, I started an account just for gold loan. You know that?
For what? Your purpose?
The first amount credited to account which is 2,65,000 with gold loan
Mashallah.
for my
For
home
your
renovation.
Mashallah, Mashallah.
And I'm responsible for the debt which made total not, and we have about 9 lakh debt now
Mashallah.
and the more amount is with the gold loan.
So many gold you have, huh?
Yes. My sister and my mother have some gold, and not a.
It's not your
it's not,
gold.
it's not our gold, and but we are responsible to take that. That is the reason. Me and my brother, and my father, we are included. The mother influenced. Yeah. Pressure, giving pressure.
For what?
We have debt. We want to.
But your old mother also is like, Allah will take us somewhere, Allah will cure our diseases,
Yeah,
Allah will
yeah.
find some way. And why do you have this much tension? My father is like that, almost like that.
Yes,
My
my
mother
my father and sister is also like that. She give her
Gold.
hair gold because of the faith. Yeah.
Sajjada will take it out. Nothing gonna happen. I know there is nothing gonna happen.
And my alien also give some money.
You also have
You
faith,
should
huh?
realize that they have
You also have, you
more,
have faith?
more.
You have faith in Sajjad?
No.
I also don't have faith
He's
in
all sort of
Selfish.
selfish.
Selfish fellow, Sabir. He comes every day, 3 times. He comes to me and asks, and asks a job in Vishnu.
Yeah.
He's already maybe,
Where?
I don't know.
Why are you told me?
First 2 weeks I told him that in these recent days and today itself, I told him I will not find a job. If I get any job, I'll do 2 jobs.
He don't give me any chance. Why? I don't know. Why?
Because I don't give.
I'm asking him. He is very talent in seeking jobs. I don't have any talent seeking jobs.
You have to make sure that you have
to
the
realize one
talent. Only
thing.
thus you can be hired by someone. Okay?
You should realize one thing. Your sister already
Got married.
already willing to
Give you gold.
give gold.
She doesn't have any much gold.
Not for me. For my home.
For long.
Yeah.
Oh.
You know.
But she have a
Soft corner.
The main reason is that we don't have any room.
she has
When I was in leave, in one room, my sister is one cot. One cot, and nearby there is one cot. I am sleeping there. When the sun cries, I am certain and wake up. What is this? My sleep is completed.
You also have to bear that, man.
Yes, of course. I am wearing and I am taking the sun and. And I think the sister, her nights are sleepless. Oh Allah, bless her and give the.
Well, that's a child. First of all, that's a child.
Yes.
Children cry. Children will cry. So, my grandma, when my cousin's daughter, she was the first daughter of my aunt, and she got a daughter. First delivery, Ammachu. The shorter name is Ammachu. Sorry, my niece's name is Ammachu.
Nickname?
Ammachu. His name is Amna. Amna Nizare.
Okay.
So when she cry, my grandma will like, why she's crying? I don't know why she's crying. Ya Allah, please, Ya Allah, please make. And I'll be like, Ma, she's a child. She'll cry. The only thing that she knows is to cry. But she's like, give her some food, give her milk. So that's a plight of our community. So I think we can wind up. All of our poverty is describing it. Okay? Bye.
Next time we will be happy.
Cut.